Holy crap.
I know, right? His tarp is flying.
There's rain all over the porch. Neighbor's tarp is gone. The freaking thing flew. Rain's coming down. Very, very windy. I have like rain all over me. Wow. Look how wet the porch is. You see this? The neighbor had his tarp up, but the dang wind just blew it away. We look over there. The camera seems blurry, I don't know why. But look how wet everything is. Look at the porch, look at all this. Look at all the leaves on the ground. They said that we're supposed to get winds up to 60 miles per hour. I guess they're not wrong. I do believe something fell down over there. I think it might be a tree. Just put these clothes out here like less than an hour ago.